Hi everyone. This video talks about the convert file action in Agent.AI. And so you'll find this action if you go to the actions, add actions, the advanced tab, and here is the convert file uh, activity that you can run, action that you can undertake. And so before we get into what it is, so it's probably again useful to set some context on why you might want to do this. And so this actually is a very simple, what I think of as a helper action. Let's say you have a file that is passed to you and you want to convert it from, let's say it's a text file that is passed and you want to convert it to a PDF or you want to convert it to an image like a PNG. So what this lets you do is to convert files from one format to another format. And so in this particular example, what I am going to show you is a file that takes a text file as input and converts it into PDF and PNG and returns you the links to those files. It's a very simple agent in that sense. So I am going to now uh, first run this and then I'm going to show you how it works. So if I go to upload files, I'm going to select files to upload. I'm going to go to my download section and I'm going to find a CSV to go upload. So let's see, there might be a recent file here that I just created. So there's some test file over here, and I'm going to upload this. What this file contains, in case you are curious about it, is just some write-up about the Anthropic research paper. So it talks about how to build effective agents. Anthropic came out with a paper, so it's got about a page of content in there. So that's all I'm uploading. And then when you hit go, what this is going to do is now going to take that file and then go run it and then convert it into PDF and PNG. So while that is doing that, let me just quickly run over here and show you how the agent works. So this part you all know. I just use the upload file activity. So if you go to actions, get user input, I'm getting get user file, and that then uploads the file. And the convert file is pretty straightforward. What it lets you do is enter the file that you want to convert, tell the extension that you want, and again, it's got to be PDF. There's no dot, no nothing. And then after that, it just gives you an output variable with the new link to that PDF. And similarly here, I'm converting it to PNG. I'm taking that extension PNG, and that's that. And then I'm basically using OpenAI to then format it and return links to that. Um, so just to show you how this works from scratch, I go click on advanced, I click on convert file. You specify the input, the file that you want to convert. And so that's coming from my file upload. So assistant underscore files, pass it there. Then I want to convert to the extension. I name the extension and then I give the variable of where I want to store that link. And so now if we go back to our agent that we just ran, you'll notice here, I've done that input. I've now got a link to download the PDF and I've got a link to download the PNG. So if I click on this and I go click over here, you'll notice there's my PDF file. So if you have a need where you have a file that is passed in one format and then you want to generate another format, this is an easy way to go do that.